Well, damn, this is not how the Diggs brothers planned or wanted to bring in their New Year's. But as we know, Trayvon Diggs was released yesterday by the Dallas Cowboys, and his brother Stefon Diggs is now in some legal trouble as he's being charged with felony strangulation, suffocation, and a misdemeanor assault and battery. Now, we know Stefon Diggs is off the field situation with Cardi B and his baby mamas and this and that. We ain't getting in all that. So I'm not sure if these charges got anything to do with that, but he has allegedly strangled and suffocated the hell out of somebody, because that's what he's being charged with, and misdemeanor assault and battery. But as far as Trayvon Diggs, if he clears NFL waivers, he'll be a free agent and he can sign with any NFL team. Could this be a situation where Trayvon Diggs joins his brother and signs with the New England Patriots for them to go on some possible deep playoff run? Because we know in the AFC right now, I ain't gonna lie, the New England Patriots are looking good. That you don't know who's gonna get in between Baltimore and Pittsburgh. Buffalo sliding and Kansas City is out.